Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix CapCut audio isn't working while you edit your projects in a CapCut PC. So if you try to edit your video but your CapCut project is completely silent, so this is how you can fix it. First, you can just head into the menu at the top right here and go to CapCut settings. Click on the performance in here and scroll down until you see the sound output device. So make sure that you choose the correct sound output device, and after that you can just click on save. And if it's still not working, you can try clicking on the volume button in here on your taskbar and click on this select a sound output. Scroll down until you see the volume mixer in here, and here you'll see the CapCut icon. So you need to make sure that the volume is in the maximum or in 100 like this. You can also click on this gear icon to see other settings on the CapCut sound. So here again you need to choose the correct output device. So select the correct one, like this one for example, and after that you can close this and try to go back to CapCut and check if the audio is working now. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.